Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Salt helps scrub away coffee stains with its gentle abrasiveness, but it won't dissolve mineral buildup or sanitize your coffee maker. For a deep clean, use a mixture of white vinegar and water to descale and disinfect, then rinse well. Salt is great for scrubbing, but vinegar is the real powerhouse for keeping your coffee maker spotless at home.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.